Morning students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss an illustration, okay, that is illustration number 10 from B.B.Dam book, okay, where drawings is made at the beginning of each month, at the middle of each month and at the end of each month. Okay, so in that case, okay, you see here, first date of withdrawal in the beginning of each month will be 1st of April. Now from 1st of April, okay, till year ending, which is 31st March, it is 12 months. Then you see last date of withdrawal will be 1st of March. Okay, so from 1st of March till 31st of March, it is 1 month. So average of these two figures will get 6.5. Okay, now when drawings is made at the middle of each month, okay, so first date of withdrawal, that is your 15th of April, okay, till year ending, which is 31st of March, it is 11.5, and last date of withdrawal will be 15th of March. Okay, so from 15th of March till 31st of March, it is 0.5 months, okay, time period for year ending. So average is 6. Now when drawings is made at the end of each month, first date of withdrawal will be 30th of April, which is 11 months, okay, till 31st of March, and last date of withdrawal will be 31st of March. Okay, so from 31st of March till 31st of March, it is 0 months. So average will be 5.5. Okay, so here you see A and B are partners in a firm. A made drawings of rupees 500 per month for his private use. Interest is charged at the rate 12% per annum. You have been asked to calculate interest on drawings in the beginning of each month, in the middle of each month and at the end of each month. So what is the total amount of drawings? 500 into 12, it is rupees 6,000. Then in the beginning of each month, interest on drawings will be 6,000 into, okay, 12%, which is 12 by 100, into average, that is 6.5 divided by 12, which is 390. Then you see interest on drawings, okay, when at the middle of each month, 6,000 into 12 by 100 divided by, multiplied by, okay, what is the average? 6. Okay, so 6 by 12, it is 360. And interest on drawings when drawings is made at the end of each month will be 6,000 into 12 by 100, and what is the figure? Average 5.5. So it is 5.5 divided by 12 equals to rupees 330. Okay, so this is how interest on drawings is calculated at the beginning, at the middle, okay, and at the end of each month, okay, when drawings is made. Okay, so this is how the interest is calculated. Okay, this is how the average is taken out. Okay, hope you have understood this sum. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, okay, for further videos. Thank you.